Never thought I'd see this much snow in North Carolina. This is crazy. See how much there is. Gotta find a good spot. I'm not sure if it'll go down about 2.5 inches, and it's still coming down like crazy. It might be a little bit more than that, though. A little bit. I mean, this is awesome, but I just never thought I'd see this much. And the storm warning is in effect until tomorrow at 9. Try it right here. Right here it says about 2.5 inches as well. So it's about 2.5 inches, 3, yeah, because I see the green, I see the grass. But it's coming down like crazy. Look at the palms. Oh, man, never, like I said, never thought I'd see snow like this in North Carolina. Been here for over 3 years. Thought I left this place back home, or I thought I left this weather back home, but it seems to follow me anywhere I go. But you know, I enjoy it actually. This is January. What is it? Today is Monday. So this is January 10th, 2011. Snowstorm in North Carolina. And like I said, never thought I'd see this kind of snow in North Carolina.